Installing a smoke detector and carbon monoxide detector could be the most important small projects there are. They're also some of the easiest. For a smoke detector, all you'll need is a drill with a 3/16" bit, a screwdriver, a hammer, and a couple of wall anchors and screws. These usually come with the detector. Many smoke detectors are battery operated with a simple 9-volt battery. There are also hardwired units that connect directly to your home's wiring, and these units contain battery backup in case your power goes out. Interconnected units allow alarms to talk to each other, so when one unit goes off, they all go off. Carbon monoxide detectors can be battery powered or hardwired, and many just plug into an outlet and have a battery backup. There are also combination units that include both a smoke and carbon monoxide detector. Now, speaking of batteries, smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors can be worthless without them. Change the batteries every 6 months. The easiest way to remember this, just make it a regular part of daylight savings time. Whether you're springing forward or falling back, change those batteries. You should have a smoke detector and carbon monoxide detector on every level of your home and in or near every bedroom. If you need any other questions answered, just ask one of your local Westlake Hardware associates. We're always here to help.